Good evening, class. Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Today's date is 25th June 2024. Topic says third person pronoun subject. Class, repeat after me. Third person pronoun subject. Yes. Remember, we have been learning about first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun object. We are going to look into third person pronoun subject today as our topic. You have he. Repeat after me, class. He, she, it. Yes, three of them, you call them pronoun. Pronoun in English language. Third person pronoun. In Igbo, you have them as O and the O. O without dot. Zero without dot. You call it O in Igbo. Then you have zero with dot. You call it O in Igbo. O and the O, they are called Nnochiaha. Nnochiaha in Igbo. O and the O represents he, she, and the it. In Igbo as a pronoun or Nnochiaha. Let's see them in sentences. Examples. He is eating food. He is eating food. Number one sentence. You have he is eating food. Second example. She cooked soup. She cooked soup. Another example. It is here. It is here. All these sentences, we have seen them in English. Now, let's see them in Igbo. Let's see he in Igbo. Remember, all represent both he, she, and the it. So, you have it as ọ na-eri nri. Class, repeat after me. Ọ na-eri nri. Ọ na-eri nri. You have seen the ọ. That is the Nnochiaha or pronoun that represents he. He is eating food. Number two says o tere ofe. O tere ofe or o siri ofe. Just the same thing. O tere ofe. You have now seen o. This o represents she. As a pronoun, as a third person pronoun under object, under subject. Another one says ọ dị ebe a. Ọ dị ebe a, which means it is here. Now you can see that O and the O represents he, she, and the it. As a third person pronoun under subject. Like and share our videos. Bye.